Today I'm checking out this cruise vacation accessories kit. Now I was sent this at no cost so we can do this review, but now I'm going to take everything out of the package, explain to you what these are, and we're going to check out the quality. So this is everything out of the package, and these are towel bands. So you can use these to put around towels if you're carrying them, but what they're really used for is to hold your towel on your chair. So you put your towel over your beach chair and then you wrap this big band around it on the top and it will hold your towel on the chair properly. Then it comes with 4 lanyards, and they're not just lanyards, they also have, you know, these little pull pieces here so you can swipe your cards or do whatever. Now different cruise lines are going to have different ways of having your cards or your devices. So like Norwegian, I believe Carnival, maybe even Royal Caribbean, they give you just a card and you can use these lanyards to put your card in, so whenever you need to swipe it to purchase something or to open your door, whatever you need to do. And then you have these sleeves here that you can actually put the card in. They open up, you slide your card down in here and you close it. Because on the cruises, when you set up your account and you get on the cruise, your key card basically does everything for you. It becomes your credit card, your room key, you charge, I mean, just everything is based on either your card or whatever device they're giving you to use on that cruise. This is awesome, which if you haven't cruised before, you know, you'll want to bring something like this because you usually have very limited outlets in your room. Well, this lets up to 3 people charge just straight off of here. And then of course, if you have a 4th person in your room, you could plug it into here and still have the 2 outlets open. This is pretty awesome to have. I definitely recommend having something like this when you go on your cruise. And then you have your luggage tags. When you go to an airport, they're going to put that strap on your luggage, you know, specifically for the airport. But when you're on a cruise, they also have another, you know, identifying tag, I guess you could say, that you usually print out. And it's usually just your deck level, so they know what deck to bring the luggage to, and then the room stewards get your luggage and bring it to your room. So you're going to have these printouts that you'll do that has a certain color on it that's easy to identify, and it has a number on it. And those you're going to be putting on your luggage. And if you put those on your luggage right after printing them and you don't secure them very well, they get ripped off. And then you have a much harder time getting your luggage. Usually shows up much later than everybody else's luggage. So when we're going, we do everything we can to make sure that those tags stay with our luggage. And this will help that even more because you have this nice, big, thick vinyl carrier here. And this is nice and thick vinyl. It should hold up pretty well. I mean, these aren't coming off. You put these on properly and you screw this around something on your luggage. Make sure you put it on something on your luggage like the handle so that they don't rip off the luggage easy. But I mean, these are cable. This is metal cable here. This is not going to just tear and rip off your luggage. You screw this on here somewhere around your luggage, and now you have your room tag that needs to stay with your luggage. Definitely like this little kit. Definitely recommend if you're going on a cruise to have something like this. I mean, this is great for a family of 4. Anyways, I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.